family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you been having issue with retaining moisture? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this wonderful Chebe oil recipe that will help you retain moisture for days and also reduce breakage. This oil is the bomb, and this recipe is actually one of the best recipe ever in making your Chebe oil. If you want to see how I make this Chebe oil and know all the recipes and ingredients I use and oil mixture I use in this Chebe oil making, please do well to watch to the end of the video. As you all know, if you are new here, my name is Muna, and my channel is all about feminine hygiene, beauty, and also I share a lot of tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. If that is what you like, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button, and do not forget to press the bell button close to it so you don't miss out on any of my video. So without further preambles, let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be making use of our glass jar. And then we'll be making use of our authentic Chebe powder. Yes, authentic Chebe powder. I got this powder from Afroliciousmuna. You can check them out on Instagram at Afroliciousmuna. They sell authentic Chebe powder. We'll also be making use of our coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, and coconut oil is one of the best penetrating oil ever, and it also contains vitamin E that helps fight damage to the hair while deeply conditioning the hair. We're also going to be using our olive oil. Olive oil nourishes and conditions the hair. It also reduces DHT production, and it reduces breakage, and it also prevents damage to the hair. And it is also a very good source of antioxidants. The next we are going to be using also is our almond oil. Almond oil contains high amounts of vitamin E, which is natural antioxidant. It reduces breakage, and it also reduces dry scalp. We'll be using our castor oil. Black Jamaican castor oil contains omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid, and this oil also helps to do what? To treat thinning hair as well. We'll also be using our caca oil as well, which is mainly made of sesame oil and other ingredients that forms this caca oil. So the first process is to I'm going to be using 2 tablespoonfuls of our authentic Chebe powder. As you all know, Chebe powder is also known as a Wea in Yoruba. It is a Chaldean mixture of herbs, and it is made primarily from Croton gratissimos, also known as the lavender croton. It is also a shrub, and it is actually grown all over Africa. This shrub is used for medicinal purposes, and you can find it being grown outside houses, mainly in towns and also villages. That is, it neutralizes the pH of the hair shaft and also of the scalp. And also moisture. It is moisturizing and allows the hair to grow. It also nourishes the hair. And Chebe shrub can be found in places such as Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, and also in Burkina Faso. And not only that, Chebe also improves our hair density, and it also nourishes the hair follicle. So I'm going to be using, I've added 2 cupfuls of our olive oil. I'm also adding 1 cupful of our coconut oil, like so. I'm also going to be using a cupful too of our almond oil. This Chebe oil will definitely leave your hair moisturized for days and reduce breakage. And you know that when our hair is moisturized, what happens? It reduces dryness. There will be no dryness because it's dryness that actually leads to breakage. But when there is no dryness, what happens? It reduces what? Breakage, and your hair will be moisturized for days. And with time, you'll be able to do what? To retain length. I'm also going to be adding our castor oil too. I'll be leaving all the measurements in the description box. Do well to watch or go through it in the description box below. So I'm going to be stirring everything together like so. I'll stir them thoroughly like so. Chebe also contains flavonoids, which creates a reaction that is beneficial within our hair. And also, Chebe powder contains a small compound called terpene, which promotes hair growth. Put it now put your pot in the fire. You add it, you put now in the pot to double boil. Do a double boiling method for it to heat. After it has heat very well, you've heated it very well through the double boiling method, then you put it down and stir it thoroughly. After stirring, I'm going to be covering it now, and I'll be leaving this oil in a dark area for good 4 days. I left it in for 4 days. So this is now the fourth day. After the fourth day, I will be sieving it into this applicator bottle with the help of my funnel, and also I went ahead to use my wig cap as well. So I'll be sieving this oil now. After 4 days, I'm sieving the oil. I left it in for 4 days so that all the herbs will be able to infuse inside the oil. So we'll be able to get a very potent Chebe oil that will leave our hair moisturized for days and then help us retain length. Now, this is the particles of Chebe I got from sieving our oil, and do not throw these particles away. Do not throw it away. I'll be telling you later on what you would use the remaining particles of the Chebe to do. Do well to watch this space. Do not throw it away. So, Chebe oil, some people actually do not like the traditional Chebe recipe. After I did the other recipe, most people were like, oh, Muna, I don't like this traditional recipe. It leaves residues on my hair. It's very messy. So, this is the best way you can actually do it, by infusing it in oils, and very potent oils. So this application time now, I'm going to be spraying my hair with water. That is just water, and I added apple cider vinegar in the water. I'll be spraying it now like so on my hair and scalp as well. This oil, you all need to try this oil. You all need to try this oil. It's very, very good. So after doing my finger detangling now like so, I'll now be going ahead now to bring the star of the show, which is our Chebe oil. I'll be adding our Chebe oil. I actually labeled the oil so I will know exactly the oil. So application time. Time to apply our Chebe oil that will leave our hair moisturized for days and reduce breakage. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried Chebe oil, or if you have ever used Chebe in any form on your hair. Please let me know in the comment section below. And what's your thoughts on Chebe? So I applied it on my tip, directly on my tip first, then I applied it on other parts of my hair strands. You can see that bounce. Chebe oil is really, really amazing. It has helped me retain length. It has helped me retain length, reduce breakage, and also help me up my moisture game for days. See that bounce. Wow. So, and Chebe with time, Chebe oil is going to help you increase your hair density with time. So you need to try this Chebe. If you haven't tried Chebe before, please do well to try it. If you don't like the traditional method of using Chebe, then this is one of the best way you can use it. I'll still share more videos on how you can use Chebe without using it in the using the powder directly on your hair. So I'm going to be twisting it now, twisting up my hair like so. So if you are battling with hair breakage, if you are battling with moisture retention, then you must have to try this Chebe oil recipe. You need to try this Chebe oil. It is a must try. It will help you up your moisture game, reduce breakage, and help you retain length. And do well to get the authentic Chebe powder, please. Do well to get authentic Chebe powder. You can check out Afromuna on Instagram. You can send them a DM, or you can also check out at Afroliciousmuna on Instagram. Send her a DM as well. Send a DM, then so guys, you will get your authentic Chebe powder. Thank you all so much for watching. So I'm going to do the rest for the other part of my hair like so. So if you're going to try this Chebe oil, let me know in the comment section if you try this oil and how you feel about this oil. So if you don't like the Chebe direct treatment, because many people say it's very messy, you can actually try using this Chebe oil on your hair for adequate moisture and then reduce breakage. This oil is the best, and this recipe is the best recipe ever I have tried. So thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you all in the next video. Bye.